Generate is an alternative way to render the current scene in Podium instead of using the automatic handoff from processing scenes to OOPR. Sometimes OOPR is blocked by a firewall or some other program, and Generate is the workaround. Now, first make sure you have all the options that you want from the Podium options menu. And then to use Generate, click the Generate icon from the Podium toolbar, and then pick a location where you want to save the script file that gets created. And this can be on your Windows or Mac. And in this case, I'm using a Generate folder name. And once you do that, processing scenes will commence, and that you have a script file that's been created. And now you open Render Manager and add a file and go find that script file that you just created and saved. There it is. And once you do that, once you open the script file, rendering will begin, the ray tracing and the resampling. And it will use all the options that you chose in the option dialog box.